the first hello, my heart said go. Right when your smile met mine, baby, you lit up all my time. I was drifting through a cloudy day, then your love came my way. Like a whisper soft and true, I found a better me in you. When your world feels out of place, I'll be your warm embrace. Every step I'm by your side, in your love I come alive. You make every day brighter, like a flame that keeps on rising higher. Through the dark you're my light, loving you just feels so right. You make every day sweeter, every kiss just pulls me deeper. Heart to heart we stay this way. You make brighter every day. When the night tries to steal your glow, I'll be the love you know. No gold, no grand parade, just the promise that we made. Through the years, come what may, I won't ever drift away. Every dream we hold so tight turns to gold in your light. You make every day brighter, like a song that lifts me higher. When I fall, you're right there, showing me how much you care. You make every day blowing, like a river steady flowing. Hand in hand, come what may, you make brighter every day. If the rain starts pouring down, I'll turn your tears around. No disguise, no pretend, just a love that never ends. Let the world spin fast or slow, one thing you should know. Through every change we face, love will always find its place. You make every day brighter, burning like a true soul fire. Every beat, every sigh keeps our forever alive. You make every day shining, like the stars all aligning. Side by side, come what may, you make brighter every day. Oh baby, stay right here. Your love is crystal clear. Every night, every day, we won't let it fade away. Ooh, brighter, brighter love, sent from heaven above. Hold me close, don't delay. You make brighter every day. Ooh, hey now, don't you know? From the first hello, my heart said go. Right when your smile met mine, like a whisper soft and true. I found a better me in you. When your world feels out of place, I'll be your warm embrace. Every step I'm by your side, in your love I come alive. You make every day brighter, like a flame that keeps on rising higher. Through the dark, you're my light. Loving you just feels so right. You make every day sweeter. Every kiss just pulls me deeper. Heart to heart we stay this way. You make brighter every day. When the night tries to steal your glow, I'll be the love you know. No gold, no grand parade, just the promise that we made. Through the years, come what may, I won't ever drift away. Every dream we hold so tight turns to gold in your light. You make every day brighter, like a song that lifts me higher. When I fall, you're right there, showing me how much you care. You make every day glowing, like a river steady flowing. Hand in hand, come what may, you make brighter every day. If the rain starts pouring down, I'll turn your tears around. No disguise, no pretend, just a love that never ends. Let the world spin fast or slow, one thing you should know: through every change we face, love will always find its place. You make every day brighter, burning like a true soul fire. Every beat, every sigh keeps our forever alive. You make every day shining, like the stars all aligning. Side by side, come what may, you make brighter every day. Oh baby, stay right here. Your love is crystal clear. Every night, every day, we won't let it fade away. Ooh, brighter, brighter love, sent from heaven above. Hold me close, don't delay.